Salamat po. How much is it?
No, I will pay for you.
No, please.
No, that's for the Filipino hospitality.
Okay, so I am starving and I want to check out this food called Lumpia, which are these like fried spring rolls, which my last hostel's owner recommended me. And the last time he recommended me that beef street place, that was bomb. So I'm excited about this because he said this is the most famous lumpia or the best lumpia in Manila. So let's see how that goes. I think it's not in Binondo. I know we're still in Chinatown because I see things that look like Chinatown, but I think it's more towards Quiapo, so like a 10-15 minute walk that way. Kumusta kuya? So fun. I like how they literally sell everything on carts over here. I guess they're just going back home. You know, the day is almost over, so I think people are just packing shop and heading back to wherever they live or to turn in their cart. I don't know how this works exactly. Definitely a speaker store. Cars. Okay, we should be very close, getting very close to where this place is. Hello. Okay, this definitely feels like a rougher part of town than where I was 10 minutes ago. But I think I found the place. It's called Lumpia. This is the famous Lumpia place. This is the line. You're here to get Lumpia. See, that's what I was told. The line's always pretty big, but that's because it's worth it. I think it's another one of those places. I believe it's one of those places that serve just one item and serve it really well. Crowd control. Right next to the place selling Lumpia, there's a place that's selling disco lights. It says maintain 2 meters distancing, which is not what we're doing. Fresh lumpia. 1 fresh lumpia. This is interesting. I can't even see who's over there. Here's the cashier. I guess they just give it to me right here. Is that lumpia?
Yeah, this is how to make it.
It's being made right there. You know what kind of meat is it? Like pork or
I think all the vegetable.
vegetable? Yeah. Okay. Nice. It's really cool. Oh man, mango shake. Loud. That was really cool. You could just see people making it right in front of you. And at first I was a little nervous about filming because it said no photos, but clearly no one cared. They just like roll it up right in front of you and then just like put some pickles and vegetables. And then it's a spring fried roll. I got one for 35 pesos, which is 60 cents. I think I found my tripod. Look at this. I'm gonna use this as my tripod. Perfect fit. I have to take a video of this. It's like this was meant to be. Time to actually try out this fresh lumpia. Came with a little bag of sauce. That's a lot of stuff to be like, you know, managing eating food on the street. It came with like 2 bags of sauce. You know what kind of sauce? Lumpia? The fresh lumpia? Like what sauce is this? Mantomas.
Mantomas.
You know the name of the sauce?
Chili spicy.
Chili spicy. Okay. Salamat po.
No more anuman.
Okay. Alright.
Where are you from, sir?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yes. And there's like some chili spicy sauce. I guess I'm supposed to eat this, like the skinny cover on it. I read somewhere that you eat this. How do I actually pour the sauce? Struggling to open this. What's up here? This is gonna be very messy. Let's try it out. Definitely sweet, might be the sauce, but it's pretty good. It's a lot more vegetables than I expected.
Sarap, sir. Sarap. Dami kayo, pinili. Dami. Hindi.
Visiting? Yes, tourist.
Where your hotel?
Malate?
Malate.
Yeah.
You look for girl there?
No, I look for food.
You look for girl.
Yeah.
Call me my name.
Okay.
I give you girl.
No, now I'm looking for food.
Dog girl.
Not for girl. Gentleman was asking me if I'm looking for girls. I don't think he was talking about looking for women the way in which I can look for women from time to time, but I think this is going to be something else. This is amazing. And I made a mess. They did not give me a napkin, so I'm just using this paper as the napkin. That sauce was so sticky, had to wash it off. That was amazing. I wouldn't say it was as good as the pares, the beef stew, but it was still pretty nice. If I could do that again, I would like get a plate so I don't make a mess and like spill half of it on my fingers. But that was nice. That was like a sweet and sour veggie roll, I guess. Salamat po. Salamat po. Oh man, people are selling stuff. It's a binocular store. Very specific. Oh man, we're right in the thick of it because it's almost rush hour. So right now, I only had one of those lumpias because I wanted to save some space for this other Filipino dessert that everyone loves that I want to try, and that is supposed to be like really good around here, called halo halo. So I'm gonna walk over there and see if I can find that. Cute little puppy sleeping. We're definitely in Quiapo right now. Because I was here the other day. Now I feel like a local because I like know the place. We're back in front of Plaza Miranda. Seems to be a lot more going on today than the other day when I was here. So we're at the place that my hostel owner also recommended for getting the best halo halo in town. And he hasn't disappointed once so far. So I'm excited to try this kind of dessert, I guess. So I guess this used to be the old market. And this is the new one. Big improvement. Hello. Where is Jolly Dada's eatery? Do you know? Over there? Okay. Salamat po. Man, not gonna lie, it smells a little funky in here, like a wet market. Right here. Oh man, I think this is the line. This is a crazy line. So this is the place to eat, and this is the massive line. Is this the line for halo halo?
Yeah, hello.
Okay. Thank you. This is where the massive line starts. Are you guys in line for Dada's eatery? Okay. So not only is it like a massive line to just get it, it's so crowded. Look at the tables. Look at the number of people just here to eat it. And how many people are sitting in one table. That's like 13 or 14 people in that one small table. Making a little bit of progress at least. I think that's all the items. Palabok is the main meat item, which I don't think I have the appetite to eat right now, so I'm just gonna get the halo halo. One halo halo.
Oh, we don't have halo halo.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Sold
then-
out.
Sold out. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Can I get the pancit
Palabok?
palabok? Yeah, yeah.
Only one?
Only one. Yeah.
Okay.
Is this it?
Yes.
What's inside it? Like
Chicharon, tinapa flakes.
tuna, like fish?
Yeah.
Is there anything without fish, or everything's with fish?
Walang ano, walang ayaw niya ng ano, ayaw nga niya
Only
ng
seafood.
ano,
Okay.
isda.
So no halo halo. Okay.
Wala nga nila pag ginagawa. Okay. Wait.
You must wait, okay?
Okay. Okay.
No, pero yung kailangan ko. Uy, si mama
So they don't have halo halo. So I'm gonna try their other famous food, pancit palabok, I think. But I think all they had is seafood and I don't eat seafood either. I'm going to find something else for me. I was going to leave, and they told me to stay. It is so hot. Okay, thank you.
Without fish.
Okay, salamat po. How much is it?
80 pesos.
80 pesos.
No, I will pay for you.
No, please.
No, that's for the Filipino hospitality.
Salamat po. Thank you. Now we're gonna eat. They were so nice. They saw us like standing in line forever, and they didn't have halo halo. Apparently they only had seafood stuff. So I don't really like seafood, so I was gonna leave. And then the guy asked me to wait, and then like found something without seafood in it. And then the lady who was in line behind me wouldn't let me pay because she's like, that's how Filipinos are. We treat people. So now I got a free meal. What's your name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. Thank you. Salamat po. That's the guy that like made sure I got something to eat. Bangladesh? Bangladesh.
Are you here for vacation?
Yeah.
How long?
I just came here 4 days ago. Yeah. And I'll be in the Philippines for 2 months, like a long time. But in Manila for a few more days maybe.
How do you find Philippines?
I like it. I like the food.
The people.
Oh yeah, people are really friendly. People smile a lot. So I don't even know what's in it. So there's eggs, obviously. There's a lot of meat. I think that's pork skin. Okay. Is this like sweet and sour sauce or
It's not a sour sauce.
like salty? Well, it's some kind of liquidy stuff that we don't know what it is, but I'll try it out and maybe I'll figure it out when I taste it. Salty. Definitely tastes like the crispier skin and the eggs. I don't know what this is, but it tastes like breadcrumbs. Oh, there's like some spaghetti. Oh, palabok. Okay. So palabok, I guess, literally means a kind of pasta. Yeah. Now I know what it. Because I was going to eat halo halo and they said there's no more halo halo, so I was like, okay, I'll have like pasta palabok. This is actually really nice. Friendly people next to me are helping me figure out what I'm eating. But yeah, it's basically pasta with pork and eggs, and it's freaking delicious. Today is the day for getting food all over my hands and bag and clothes and everything else. Thank you for explaining to me. The sauce is a bit thick, not gonna lie, but it goes well. As long as there's no bones, I'm happy. I got a Coke for like 20 pesos because it's just so hot. Just look at my hand. This is warm, so I guess I'm gonna put it in the ice and then drink it. Thank you so much. Now there's a reason Filipinos are known across the world for their hospitality. It's because of things like this. They saw someone who was in trouble and then they helped out. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. That was amazing. The reason this part, like Binondo, Quiapo, is my favorite part of Manila so far is because this is where I get to interact with the most people. And the more people I interact with in Manila, in the Philippines, the more smiles I get, the more happy vibes I get, the more people being helpful I get. It just makes you happy. It just puts you in a good mood. And that's been kind of my experience the whole time I've been in Manila. The whole day today when I was trying to find stuff and couldn't find it. Everyone from shopkeepers who had no intention of selling me stuff to security guards who double checked and made sure I was going the right way and found what I needed. Just people on the street who were just very curious to see that I was a guest here and wanted me to have the best time possible. I love Manila. I know a lot of tourists come and just like get the hell out of here as fast as they can, but I've been here for like 5-6 days now and it's been an absolutely fun city. Yes, it is hectic. Yes, the traffic is crazy, but it is a lot of fun. And I definitely plan on filming a couple of more videos from Manila before I go out. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Like it if you liked it. Feel free to subscribe to my channel or follow my Facebook page if you want to watch more videos. And feel free to follow me on Instagram at Nadir on the go if you want real-time travel updates. I'll catch you guys in the next video from somewhere else in Manila.